making orange slime. This is the glue that we used. And now we're just gonna have to be putting the activator in. Okay, now we just have to mix it all up. And this is the final result. And I think I'm gonna put some charms on it. That's the final result. Like and subscribe. Bye.